This is Derek.
This is Kaeden.
All right, we're gonna be changing the brake pads on this 2000 Chevy Express van. So first, what we're gonna do, we got the drill here. We're gonna take off all the lug nuts and give them to Kaeden. I got one. Okay, now we take the tire off. We're gonna set it right there. Okay. And take these screws off right here. I can't get in them. Uh-oh. What? We missed a step. We gotta turn the wheel so it's easier to access.
Pick it up, Colin. It's all over your shirt.
So we're gonna put it in neutral and we're gonna turn the wheel. All right. Now we turn the wheel. So we're gonna come in here. We're gonna take these lug nuts out. If I can get them out. There we go. Oh, they came out. Okay, that one should be. All right, here's one. We'll give that to Kaeden.
Oh, yeah.
Second one's right here. There we go. No, you're not.
I'm a part of this group. Hit me up. Have my stat. Just hit 3-0.
There we go. Second one is out. Take the brake caliper off. So take the bottom out the top out first. If I can get it out. Wait. There we go. And then now the top's out, pull it up. Now the brake caliper's off.
Fun fact, you guys should never let this dangle.
Don't let it dangle, otherwise that's not good.
Yes.
So first brake pad is right here. These are just little clamps. We're just gonna pull up on it. We're gonna take the clamp and like pull up. There we go.
Good job.
Pulled this out. Second brake pad. It's on the inside here. We're gonna just pop that out. It's got these little clamps here, okay? You gotta push the piston back in. So we're gonna tighten this up. And tighten this down. So, piston's now back in. So now unscrew this. Okay, so now this, wait, it's almost out. There you go, now that's out. So, we're gonna use the brake pads here. We're gonna put them in the opposite order we took them out. So we're gonna put the piston closest to the pad. We're gonna put that, or the pad closest to the piston. We're gonna pop that in first. Push it in. There you go. That one's in. Second one. We're gonna put it like this. No, like this. And we're just gonna push down. Now that's in. Okay. So now, take the brake caliper. I'm gonna bring it back over onto the wheel here. Push it so it's on this little lip here. It's on this little lip here, so that's now on, and then we just like that. There you go. Now they're both on they're on the two lips, so that means we're good. Now we have the lug nuts here, or the brake caliper lug nuts. Started, then we'll start using the torque wrench. As you can see, it's kind of hard to start going, but once it gets going, then it's okay. Okay, there's that one. There we go.
Oh yeah. See, we just had to wiggle it.
There we go. Now it's going in.
And
Almost there. All right, there we go. Now it's in. All right, so tighten it up, turn it on. Oh. Why is it not? There we go.
38.
Put it up to 38 foot-pounds. Okay. Now we're gonna put it in there.
Stick it in, Derek.
It is in. We're gonna tighten it down. 38 foot-pounds. Oh, there we go. Torque this one down. 38 foot-pounds. There we go. We're gonna put the tire back on. Grab the tire. Okay. Now. And it pushes the air out of the lines, that's right. There we go, it's hard as a rock now.